Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic that what is QR code payments. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in payment technology and you want to learn about it. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, QR code payment. So that is means QR stand for quick response code payment. Now, why it is called as quick response? Basically, it is a very fast payment. So that is why generally it is called as quick response or QR code payment. I'm sure that if you have any time visited any cinema hall or any retailers or merchants, you have definitely seen this type of a card or picture there, and you have definitely seen that any person is scanning this picture and doing the payment. So this type of payment in which we scan the QR code and do the payments. So that is called as the quick response or QR code payment. Friend, basically QR is a type of a 2D two-dimensional barcode readable by the smartphones. Normally we scan the QR code through the smartphones, tablets, and after scanning we do the payments. When a QR code is scanned, the horizontal and vertical patterns of the metrics are decoded by the software on your smartphone and converted into a string of characters. Depending on the command of those characters, your phone may open a browser, link, confirm payments, information, geolocation, etc. So basically, friend, what happened? This QR code is basically a picture, or you can say a two-dimensional barcode. When you read that barcode using the smartphone or tablet, so it will get an string. That string will tell your mobile application that what to do next actually. Okay, so this is basically like, for example, if you want to do the payment, for example, so that string or that string, when you read the QR code, you will get a string, and that string will have information about merchant ID, terminal ID, payment, and etc, device ID, etc. And you can do the payments accordingly as well. Now the QR code characteristics. The QR code stands out with its three small squares placed in the lower and upper left corners and upper right corner. Okay, you can see from here, these are the three squares, this one and this one. Okay, so these are the three squares normally exist in the QR code. The overall code has a square shape composed of a matrix of small squares. The number of small squares per side can vary, for example 33 by 33 or 177 by 177. Now the fewer the squares, the less information the code contains, and vice versa, more squares. So squares are more, that means more information. Squares are less, that means less information. Because information contains in two directions, it can hold a lot more data than a one directional dimensional barcode. Okay, uh, now here's the question, that how do the QR code payments work actually? Basically, friend, QR codes can be scanned from both paper and on the screen. Like QR code can exist on your mobile phone, and for example, I have a QR code on my mobile phone in my gallery. For example, in my mobile gallery, I have a QR code. So anyone else can having a smartphone, so he will scan the QR code from my mobile phone and do the payments accordingly. Also, QR code exists on the paper as well. For example, the QR code exists printed on a paper and you scan the QR code and do the payment. This is also possible. So you have definitely seen the QR codes on a store, online stores, apps, retailers, cinema halls. You have definitely seen. So basically, how what you do, like using the smartphone or tablet with built-in camera, you scan the QR code, barcode reader that can scan the QR code, and after scanning, the string information what you get, it will direct it to the payment processor. So both iPhones and Android smartphones can scan QR codes directly from the main camera app, as long as it is using the latest iOS or Android software. You simply open the camera and point it towards the QR code, which will immediately recognize it and open a push notification requiring you to tap it to the finish the relevant operation. For example, if you want to do the payment, and what you do, like you just open your camera, scan the QR code existing or exist on the paper or card of a uh, card, and after scanning it will get the string from the QR code. That string will contain all the information about the merchant, about the terminal, about the payment, how to process all those information will exist in the string of the QR, which we get it from the scanning the QR code. After getting the QR string, the mobile application will have the built-in information, have the programming information that how to process that information. Either it will be a payment transaction, either it will have any other information. So based on the string which we are getting after the QR, from scanning the QR code, it will process accordingly. So that is the concept of a QR code payment. QR stand for quick response code payment. So that is the main concept, that we do the payment quickly. Also, it is very interesting that in the QR code payment, the customer is not sharing his card information, his account information with the merchant. He is just scanning the QR code and doing the payment accordingly. So it is fast, it is secure, and it is reliable. It is more convenient for the customer as well. So that is why nowadays QR code payment is very much popular. And in many countries it's also happening that the regulatory authorities, like the regulators who basically regulate the payments, they are enforcing or the banking industry or financial institutions to introduce the QR code payment or accept the QR code payments in their mobile phones, mobile apps, so that it will facilitate the customers as well, because QR code payments are very much convenient and facilitating for the customers as well. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you, thanks a lot for watching.